Welcome back. It's only been, I don't know, months and months and months. Only been 288 days. Today we are going to make a Gothic / Halloween craft because I went to the Gothic market and let me tell you, there was nothing Gothic there and I was highly disappointed. So if you're asking, what are these all about? Well, you know what I always say.
It's not a craft unless you burn the holy shit out of yourself.
We're gonna make this cute little thing. Look how cute it is. It's got all these little things sticking off of it. Nice little skull with the flowers. And it's on a pedestal. And you can get any kind of candlestick holder you want. Second thing you need is a piece of craft foam, and I picked this up also at the Dollar Tree, but you can get this from anywhere. Now what I do is I put this in the middle, push down, so then I take a knife because I'm cool like that. Alright, so once that's cut down, now we want this to sit down inside of this. So I'm just going to trim around the outside of this.
So you want to add a shitload of glue. Shitload of glue.
Alright, now that that's all glued on, I'm trying to give you a close-up of everything, so that's why I'm all scrunched over. Now what you want to do is take your skull, pick up any skull. I got this one at Marshall's for $9.99. Pick up any skull.
Alright, now once your tag is removed, now you want to add a shitload of glue to it and stick it on the top of it. Shitload of glue. Sorry if you see my mouth jittering, I got the TMJ. So I'm like...
Now it's going to cost you like roughly like $25 to make this, but if you're going to sell it, you're going to have to sell it for like 45, 50 bucks if you want to make a profit off of it.
Now that it's stuck on there, see that? We got it stuck on there. Let's get all this shit out of the way.
Now we need to put our flowers in. And I got these roses at Hobby Lobby. These were $10.99 each. This is a full one. This is the one that I already cut off of. So you see I still have some left. So this was $10.99, and then you know, get it when it's on sale so you get it 40% off. These were 50% off at Michael's, so I only paid 99 cents for them, which you can't beat that. This right here,
which my husband was like, why on earth are you buying sticks? We have sticks outside. I'm like, dude, we need these.
This was $8.99 at Hobby Lobby, and again, get it when it's 50% off. Down to here. Then I'm going to take this greenery and I'm going to push it up like that, or you can take it off. Push it up like that. And you know how, remember I told you I like to do things in zigzags. So I'm going to put this in zigzags all the way around. So I'm going to start up here because I want it to be up close to the skull. And push it in real deep. I'm 12. okay? So look how good that looks. Now I'm gonna put this one, I'm gonna put it like right here, okay? So I'm just gonna push it in. And I'm not going quite to the bottom because this is gonna cover the bottom. And if it doesn't want to go in all the way, you can take that greenery off if you want it off. You don't have to have that on there. See, look, let me take it off and show you. So you're going to stick your thumb in the center. Stick it up here. Ouch. Let me put one of these suckers back on. That hurts. That's much better. And then see.
Do it, lady. There we go, all the way around. Now, any big bare spots, I'm going to add another one because these are my big flowers and these were little ones. So, like, I got a real big spot right here, a big spot right here. So I'm going to add another one right there.
Now I've got my black ones. I've got two different ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take turns going all the way around so that way I don't have all of them in one spot.
Oh, this is going to be pretty. Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, I think I'm just going to do that. So I'm going to separate these into like kinds. Okay, so I've got this kind, and then I've got this kind. See that? This kind and this kind. So I'm going to separate them into two different piles, and then I'm going to go around and zigzag in every other one.
And that's it, guys. That's it. Now, oh, that's not it.
We gotta put our stick things on. That's not it. But you can leave it like this if you want to. You can leave it like this if you want to.
Alright. Now that I got all these cut off, now we're going to take them and stick them in here. Which we're probably going to have to glue them. Yeah. So, take a dab of glue.